In an era of renewed great power competition, the United States Army is fielding a revolutionary capability poised to redefine the modern battlefield and ensure American dominance for decades to come. This system, formally designated on April 24, 2025, as the Dark Eagle, represents the culmination of immense national effort and technological prowess. Officially known as the Long-Range Hypersonic Weapon (LRHW), Dark Eagle is far more than a new missile. It is a strategic instrument of national power, a symbol of American innovation, and a decisive answer to the complex security challenges of the 21st century. At its core, the Dark Eagle system is engineered to project overwhelming force with unprecedented speed and precision across vast distances. Boasting a staggering reported range of 1,725 miles, it consists of a sophisticated ground-launched missile armed with an advanced hypersonic glide body, all seamlessly integrated with a mobile network of transport, support, and fire control equipment. This weapon is born from the strategic necessity to defeat the anti-access, area denial (A2AD) capabilities that potential adversaries have painstakingly constructed. These layered defenses of advanced sensors, anti-ship missiles, and integrated air defense systems are designed for one purpose: to keep American forces at a distance and deny them freedom of maneuver. Dark Eagle is the key to shattering these fortresses, providing the United States with the ability to suppress an adversary's own long-range fires and surgically eliminate other high-payoff, time-critical targets with near impunity. To understand the monumental leap forward that Dark Eagle represents, one must first grasp the nature of hypersonic flight. A hypersonic weapon is defined by its ability to travel at speeds greater than Mach 5, or more than 5 times the speed of sound, which translates to over 3,800 miles per hour. At such velocities, the weapon can traverse continents in minutes, drastically compressing the timeline for enemy decision-making and response to nearly zero. However, sheer speed is only part of the equation. Unlike a traditional ballistic missile, which follows a predictable, high-arching trajectory through space, a hypersonic glide body is a master of deception. After being accelerated to immense speeds by a powerful booster rocket, the glide body detaches and soars through the upper atmosphere on a low-altitude, maneuverable flight path. It can perform unpredictable evasive maneuvers, banking and weaving its way to its target, making it exceptionally difficult for enemy radar to track and virtually impossible for existing missile defense systems to intercept. This combination of extreme speed and radical maneuverability gives the United States a profound strategic and tactical advantage, ensuring that when a target is selected, its destruction is all but guaranteed. The development of this game-changing weapon is a testament to American ingenuity and inter-service synergy. The Army has worked in lockstep with the U.S. Navy, leveraging a whole-of-nation approach to accelerate this critical priority. The missile component of the LRHW, a common two-stage booster, is being masterfully developed by American defense titans Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman. When paired with its payload, the complete munition is designated the All-Up Round Plus Canister (AWR+C). This booster is the shared backbone of both the Army's LRHW and the Navy's own Conventional Prompt Strike (CPS) system, a strategic masterstroke of engineering and acquisition that allows for deployment from Army ground launchers as well as Navy surface vessels and submarines. This commonality streamlines production, reduces costs, and enhances the joint forces' ability to project power from land and sea. The heart of the Dark Eagle is the Common Hypersonic Glide Body (CHGB), a marvel of aerospace engineering based on a proven design from the Army and Sandia National Laboratories. Currently being produced by Dynetics, a Leidos subsidiary, the CHGB is what makes the weapon so unstoppable. After jettisoning its booster, it glides at incredible speeds, with its flight path controlled by sophisticated internal guidance systems. The path to fielding such a groundbreaking technology is paved with rigorous, demanding tests designed to push the very limits of material science and aerodynamics. Shielding the sensitive electronics and understanding how advanced materials perform under the sustained, searing heat of 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit requires a methodical and relentless pursuit of perfection. While early developmental tests in October 2021 and June 2022 encountered challenges, these were not setbacks but invaluable learning opportunities. Each data point, whether from a successful sequence or a component failure, provided American engineers with the critical information needed to refine and harden the system, ensuring its absolute reliability when called upon in a real-world crisis. These rigorous trials underscore the Department of Defense's commitment to fielding a fully mature and overwhelmingly effective weapon. The operational structure of Dark Eagle is designed for flexibility, survivability, and lethality. The system is organized into batteries, each a self-contained fighting unit. A standard LRHW battery is a formidable force, comprising 4 transporter erector launchers (TELs) mounted on highly mobile M870A4 modified trailers. Each telephone carries 2 AWR+Cs, giving the battery a total of 8 hypersonic missiles ready to fire. Command and control is executed from a dedicated Battery Operations Center (BOC) supported by an auxiliary vehicle, ensuring seamless integration into the Joint Fires Network. The honor of operating the first Dark Eagle battery was bestowed upon the elite soldiers of the 5th Battalion, 3rd Field Artillery Regiment, stationed at Joint Base Lewis McChord, Washington. This unit, also known as the Long Range Fires Battalion, is a core component of the Army's 1st Multi-Domain Task Force (MDTF), a forward-thinking organization at the heart of America's strategic pivot to the Indo-Pacific. Stationed under the 1st Corps, this MDTF and its hypersonic capability serve as a powerful deterrent and a clear signal of U.S. resolve in the region. As the Army continues its modernization, additional Dark Eagle batteries are planned for the other MDTFs, extending this incredible capability to other critical theaters around the globe. Recent progress demonstrates that the Dark Eagle program is accelerating towards full operational readiness. According to a June 2025 United States Government Accountability Office (GAO) report, the program is advancing steadily, with the 2nd operational battery on schedule to be fielded in the 4th quarter of fiscal year 2026. This timeline adheres to the Innovative Middle-Tier Acquisition (MTA) strategy, a forward-leaning approach designed to bypass bureaucratic red tape and deliver crucial battlefield capabilities to the warfighter at speed. In a tangible display of this progress, soldiers from Bravo Battery, 5, 3 Field Artillery, showcased the system's operational dynamics during exercise Bamboo Eagle 24, 3 at Nellis Air Force Base, Nevada, on August 2, 2024. This exercise was not merely a drill, it was a powerful demonstration of the system's deployment readiness and a critical step in integrating this hypersonic asset into joint operational doctrine. Looking ahead, the U.S. Army has scheduled a vital flight test of a modified missile configuration for the 4th quarter of fiscal year 2025, a trial that will validate recent enhancements and pave the way for wider deployment. While the GAO report noted that funding constraints had shifted the procurement timeline for the 3rd Battery's ground equipment, the overarching momentum of the program is undeniable. The deployment of the Dark Eagle long-range hypersonic weapons system marks a pivotal transformation in the U.S. Army's strategic posture and its role within the joint force. As near-peer competitors continue to invest in their own hypersonic programs, the fielding of Dark Eagle ensures the United States not only keeps pace but sets the standard, maintaining its position at the absolute forefront of high-speed, precision strike technology. It provides combatant commanders with an unmatched tool that combines speed, reach, and precision to deter aggression, break through the most formidable defenses, and operate decisively in any domain, securing peace through strength and guaranteeing that the United States Army remains the most lethal and capable land force the world has ever known.